All right, everyone. A very, very good morning to you. This is your brother, your friend, Dion Osagie. Like many of you already know, I have been blackmailed. I have been lied on so many times, but we are still standing. All right. Only a stupid person, a very stupid person, will hear a story and believe it without hearing the second side. Never you judge a story by one side. There is a two side to every story. You hear something one time, you start running to social media. Hey, Osagie. Those of you who are ranting online, defaming my character, I have your time. One after the other, I am going to teach you that I am a global ambassador. All right? One step after the time, we are going to be dealing with you guys. For now, our case has been reported to the UK police for Anu Ajose for defaming my character, and I'm following no step. The next person we are going to deal with is Atiti. Atiti, I'm coming for you. Abat, it was the same woman you are defending today that took me to Leeds police station to report a case against you. I have a case against you, Abat, at the Leeds station, and I may likely reopen that case. But in my mind, I'm thinking, you know what? If I have a case against Abat, UK immigration, they kill his paper, what about his children? But since you don't want to learn lesson, right? I will teach you, say, we know the right thing to do. Okay? And as for you, Prissy, I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue you to come and tell the whole world how you were able to give me these millions of naira. Just be on the lookout for that. I am going to sue you. You're going to receive a document in your business place. And I'm going to tell the whole world how you have defrauded the UK government with your insurance scam. Alright? I'm going to tell the whole world how you have defrauded the UK government with your insurance scam. I was aware. How you plan people to come and break into your shop to get insurance money. This is not over yet, okay? This is not over yet, because at some point, because somebody is quiet, everybody just run around trying to spoil my name, or because of politics. This is political base. You brought out my errand boy. You sponsored my errand boy to start insulting me online. For the past 1 year, I didn't say anything. You remove Osagie from the school I put him in Lagos, where I spent over 1 million naira at Lagos State Modern School, a school that Fashola went to, a school that Ambode went to. You convince that young boy, convince his parents by sending them money to remove that boy from the school. For over a year now, the boy is under your custody and now calling you mommy, right? So this is an act of kidnapping. You manipulated a young guy to become your foster child so you can use him to collect benefits in UK. This story go too long, but this morning, I will do my thing. All right. So social media, guys, for those of you who have common sense, big shout out to you. For those of you who doesn't have common sense, who cannot read between the lines, it's a shame on you. A woman who has been married 3 times. First married a white man in Italy that she took millions upon millions of pounds from. Married a baby daddy that lives in Atlanta that left her for the same purpose. Married again another dog guy who moved to UK. After 3 months, they got kicked out. So you want me to be a victim? You don't love me. For those of you who are supporting evil, who are supporting women that cannot stay in one place, you are evil. But stay cool. A time will be announced where you're going to hear my story. All right? Love you guys. Make una not dey put mouth for wetin no concern una. Make una not dey put mouth for wetin no concern una. When it was sweeting, were you there? When it is sweet, were you there? Where were you? I beg you.
My people, una don lis ten to Ambassador Dion Osagie for this issue wey be say e dey ground. E go really long o, no be small thing o. Sit down look, na im be dog. Oh, we are just watching. As far as say dem say ogbalegbe don enter for inside, we dey watch how e wan take end. My brothers and sisters, no easy o. Na really o, the time wey dey sweet, we dey there. We no really even dey there. Shebi dem say na 2 years. Good 2 years, the thing just sweet. E just like everything was like the sweet in me, sweet in you. We not really did there. Why we come dey carry headache for you? If you sit down look am, why we go come carry headache? If person owe you money, you better go meet your lawyer o. No be lie o. You better go meet your lawyer. Give your lawyer evidence and make your lawyer do the rest thing. Because really, you know, say for this social media of 18, defamation of character e dey o, no be say no dey. As e dey for this side na so dey for the other side. You understand? You know say if person defend your character, you wey be say dem defend your character, you no get right to like to exchange words to that person. You go just pick all the evidence, carry go court. You understand? The way be say Mama Eto and Douglas they do ajekpako, you understand? Na so they like win the case. You go carry all the evidence. You go carry go give so that I have any otoido have. See that look, oh, na be dog, oh, because to defend somebody character is not good, oh. Mona be careful anyway. Social media, yes, now to find money, not be to defend people character. So for me, I dey watch, and I get the way I take dey do my thing. I no come and like maybe I wan come dey shout, come dey defame your character, come dey insult you, wetin no dey your body, I come dey put down. No, right from the one, I know wetin I dey do, and I know when I take break. I know because I don first tell una before say when I really take my driving license. When somebody come talk to me anyhow, I can't go refer am to your wife wey not even dey there. You pay 500 euro in a lawyer. Don't be lie, oh. The man carry me go. Now me be right before. As I can't go throw mad, go give your wife. Now I take go court. Don't be lie. But we not do anything. We just reach there. He just tell me, say me, I tell your wife sorry. Because they can't tell me, say next time, if person will be say, me with her not dey drag, we not dey do anything, me I not dey, they not dey do one. It's against the law. Now say, now make me, oh, if you follow me, I go follow you. If you put my pikin, I go put your pikin. I know say now you fair true for me. I know fair true. Social media people, make una suffer o small. According to Dion, wetin he talk just now, he say the time wey e sweet, whether we dey there. He say ni may we not come be a hawk by him, not just here for one side, just carry go. With the way since may talk, you know, saying they do writing. Maybe still they do underground, one follow lawyer side, you know, because if you want follow lawyer side, you know, come out, come still defend the other side character, you know, you feel they talk, not be say you not talk, but you get your limit, you get what you they talk, where you not go like, can't say and you still do, you know, so that you know can't let judge. I bet for about Dion Osagie, I bet may you think twice, so no, because they say may not come be new. About say may you stay clear, oh, they your day sit down look, just they watch, you understand? Not be everything person they book by you, person like me, not be everything I they book by you, because I know fit for wahala. More boy, more when I do I see you see where see what they say you talk, I know fit talk. Abati, Bosto make say you not come o. Yeah, when gbe wa do Wahala when you come put for this issue now. Where you want come go? All right, my people, now bye bye for now.